Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing really well. As you know by the title, today I'm coming at you with a Sephora haul. This is not just your average Sephora haul, but in today's haul I've got Too Faced, I've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, I've got Fenty Beauty. So it's just gonna be an amazing Sephora haul. As we know, these brands are not available in India yet, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is, but apart from that, Fenty and Too Faced, they're not available in India. So somebody that I know was traveling, so I asked them to kindly pick out these items, and finally I have my hands on them and I'm so excited. I have one item from Nike also. It's more like a skincare bit. We'll try that in the beginning. Okay, but we'll just do like a first impression sort of a video where I will show you the product, I will apply it on my face, we'll talk about the product, give you my first thoughts. So if you are into that kind of video, or if you just want to see what I've purchased, or if you just want to see or hear my thoughts on whatever I've got, so then please keep on watching. Perfect. Okay, so let's just start with skincare. I got one item from Nykaa. I thought to pop this here in the video. So I got this vitamin C serum from Dot & Key. Now I have been meaning to try vitamin C for the longest time. If you don't know, like vitamin C is supposed to give you this glow on your skin, and I thought I could use some glow. It claims to eliminate dullness and dark spots for bright luminous complexion. So if you're somebody who feels that your skin is lacking that glow, try vitamin C. This is by the brand called Dot & Key Skincare. If I'm not wrong, this is a Korean skincare brand. I might be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is basically, it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is very good for retaining moisture. Hyaluronic acid is basically, if you have dry skin, hyaluronic acid is very good for the skin because it retains all the moisture in your skin. It has no nasty chemicals, which is amazing. Basically trying to switch towards like skincare which is free from parabens and stuff like that. So this is how the packaging looks like. I think so it's really cute. The bottle looks like it's made up of plastic, I want to say. I'm just gonna put 3-4 drops on my face. Now let's just dig into this bag, because this is the reason why you're actually here. So I don't have a lot of items in here, but I do have enough items to do like a full face, sort of a full face. So let's just get into the video. First item that is actually a freebie is this Becca Velvet Primer. Now this is basically a teeny tiny tester sort of a thing. She actually gave 3-4 items free with the entire purchase, which was just amazing. So I'm just gonna pop this on. Becca is something that is available in India also, and I think so this is just a nice way to try out the brand. As you can see, this is definitely more of a water-based skin tone sort of a primer. It basically says this is a blurring primer, which I definitely need. Guys, my pores are just like everywhere. Because this is a blurring sort of a primer, I'm just gonna apply this on the center of my face. Now that I've applied it, it definitely feels a little bit silicone-y, just like the Professional. Not that silicone-y, but definitely now I can see that there is a bit of silicone present in it. Obviously it is a blurring primer, you'll always get silicone in it. Looking in the mirror and I can still see my pores. We'll see how the foundation sits on top. First impressions, I'm not too keen on it. Let's see how it performs with the foundation and everything. But first impressions, I mean, tester mein she gave it, which is nice, but I don't think so. Currently, I'm like wowed by the primer. Next, moving on to a foundation. Now I have been meaning to try this foundation for the longest time, but Fenty Beauty is just not available in India, and I got like 3 items from her. Fenty Beauty is a brand by Rihanna, and I was super excited to try out this brand, and I finally have my hands on it. So I got the foundation from her. Now currently she has 2 foundations in her line. The hydrating one, which is more for dry skin, and then she has the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wearing Foundation. which is more for the dry skin or combination skin type. Because I was not physically there, I eyeballed the shade and I got the shade 220. This is how the packaging looks like. I think so the packaging is very Rihanna. It has this grungy vibe to it. I personally love the glass bottle. However, if you're clumsy, it can break, so I have to be super careful with it. But I love the bottle nonetheless. It's very pretty, very elegant and very sleek. Like when you hold it in your hand, it's very sleek to hold. It has this frosted glass material, which I love, a white cap, and it's just very chic. That's what I want to say. I have already worn this foundation once, but I still haven't made up my mind, so I'm gonna try this today again with you. Like I said, I'm in the shade 220. As I'm putting this foundation on my skin, you can see the consistency is super runny. As you can see, 220 for me is way too yellow, but let me just blend it in. Okay guys, I tied my hair up because I just couldn't deal with open hair. This is one layer of the foundation. If you notice properly, you can still peek through my acne scars and my pimples. You can still see through them. So definitely this is a medium coverage foundation. Let's just see how it builds up. So I'm gonna apply one more pump onto each side of my cheek. If you apply this with a brush, definitely you'll have more coverage. But when I'm applying this foundation, you can see the foundation is of a lighter color, but if you look at the center of my face, you will see a darker color. So this foundation does oxidize a bit, but what I noticed was that this will oxidize on you, but once it sets, like एक बारी oxidize हो गया on your skin, throughout the day it won't go that dark. Next, we move on to the two tiny testers that she's given along with the makeup. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. If you've been following my channel, you would know I'm a huge advocate of the Benefit brow products. I think so they're the best. This is in the shade Soft Brown. It's a sample. Now, I'm not too sure how soft brown will look on me, but tester hair and I'm doing a full face, so why not? Oh wow, you guys, this actually looks nice. I was worried that soft brown for me would be way too light and you could not see it, but I like the way it's looking in the viewfinder. I don't know asli mein video mein kaise lag raha hai. If it's looking bad, excuse me, but I like it. Anastasia, by the way guys, Anastasia Beverly Hills is now available in India also. Guys, I'm actually quite impressed. Like light brown on my hair is actually looking quite nice. It's looking bold, but it's not looking too harsh. What do you guys think, man? I am impressed. I'm actually impressed. Next, let's just move on to bronzer. I was this contouring and highlighting kind of girl, and about 1.5 years ago, I changed completely into a bronzer person, and so I had to pick out another bronzer. This is the Too Faced chocolate bronzer. This is the long wear matte bronzer and it's in the shade Soel, and this is made up of 100% natural cocoa powder. Now this is my first ever Too Faced product. I haven't used this product yet, but oh my god, you guys, when you touch this product, you can literally feel how luxurious this product is. It's heavy duty. This is the product over here, and you get a big size mirror. Guys, I don't know how well can you see the camera, but I honestly really like this bronzer. It's very easy to blend. I did go a little harsh over here, but it's very easy to blend. It doesn't look powdery. The color is perfect. It smells amazing. It literally smells amazing. That is the beauty about Too Faced products. I always wanted to try them, and now I finally have my first Too Faced product. I'm really excited, you guys. But you guys, I am quite impressed with this product. If you look at my skin, it looks super bronzy, super healthy, which I love. I love a bronzy face. You guys know I love a bronzy face. So the next item that I picked out is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Duo Highlighter, and I got this in the shade Mean Money and Hustler Baby. So the packaging still looks the same. So this is how the product looks like. It's in this beautiful pearlescent white packaging. The packaging is more like a hexagon thing. If you look at the shades, this one is called Hustler Baby and this one is called Mean Money. Again, you guys, if you have been a keen watcher of my videos, you would know that I'm not a highlighter person. It's just not who I am. I am definitely more of a bronzer, blush kind of person, but I have heard so many good things about this highlighter and I had to try it. I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna invest in an expensive highlighter, let it be Fenty. So first I'll apply this less shimmery shade, which I think so would be perfect for me if I want to apply a highlighter on an everyday basis, which looks more natural. I don't know how well can you see in the camera, but this is definitely more of a subtle highlight. Let's move on to the other side and apply this highlighter. Oh my god, this is definitely a blinding highlighter. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, moving on to the last item that I purchased is this lipstick, which is again from Fenty Beauty. This is their Summer Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. Yeah, Uncensored. It's their Longwear Liquid Fluid Lip Color. Just look how pretty is the packaging. The bottle looks so damn pretty. It's just very stunning and very different. Like, if this is on your vanity, like how cute is that? This is just a pure red that I wanted to buy. So I'll just wear this for you and show you the shade. Guys, this color went on beautifully, but the only problem is that I don't know whether you can see, but I've messed it up. You definitely need a liner with this lip color. You don't need to dip in twice. This color initially gets onto your teeth also, so you have to be careful about that. But you definitely need a lip liner with this, otherwise it's just gonna be everywhere. Okay, let's just quickly talk about the lipstick. I think that the shade is stunning. I think so this will be my new favorite red lipstick. I wanted to try this lipstick for the longest time, and it has kind of dried down, but it's very comfortable on the lip, this thing I have to say. So even if you have dry skin and dry lips, I think so this will still look good on you. Okay, you guys, that's it what I picked out, but I got another freebie, which is this Anastasia lipstick. The sales assistant must have been like really amazing because she gave like a lot of free things. So she put in this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. This is definitely a very good size free lipstick. So I have removed the lipstick. Now let's just apply this Anastasia lipstick. This is in the shade Crush. I would normally apply this with a lip liner, and I've already applied this on Diwali, but let me just show you this without lip liner. This is more of a peachy nude. How this lipstick looks like without any lining, but for my color, I just think peachy nudes, they just don't suit me and I need a little help. So I'm just gonna apply a pink liner. I got this lipstick as a freebie, but if you are thinking of buying an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, just remember these lipsticks, they dry down purely matte. So if you have dry lips, it's gonna give you a lot of pain. Lipstick is definitely very long wearing, but if I talk about the comfort, the Fenty one has to take the cake for me because it's comfortable and it lasts pretty decent and you can reapply it. I feel for me reapplying the lipstick is not a task, but the lipstick should look correct. However, I did wear this throughout Diwali, throughout the entire day, and it was pretty well on my lips. I do like how this look has turned out. I'm very impressed with the highlighter. I think so the highlighter is stunning. I like highlighters that look good in real life, and this is one highlighter that looks beautiful in real life, and I have a lot of texture on my cheek and still it is kind of looking nice. You can see for yourself. I love the lipsticks. Then the brow product, it was a free sample, but I'm very impressed. The bronzer is definitely a very natural looking bronzer, but you can build it up. It blends in like a dream, smells amazing. I think so pehle when I was applying my makeup, I think so out of all the things, foundation was definitely my least favorite. I'm gonna be honest with you, but now like my entire face is on. I don't think so the foundation looks too bad, to be very honest. I think so, yeah, that is my overall haul. I know zyada products nahi the, but you know guys, when you buy these things, they're expensive and you can't really buy a lot of them. So anyways, jitne bhi products the, I really hope that you all enjoyed the video. It was more like a chit chat. Sit down with me, I'm just playing with new makeup and I'm talking about it, giving my first thoughts, and yeah, I really haven't done something like this in a long time. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Before going, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you back for more videos. Yeah, subscribe and I shall see you next time. Bye. Mwah.
You're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies. We are dreamers of a different kind.